All right, y'all, we are back. Christmas is over with, but still in the holidays. All right, hope everybody had a nice Christmas. Spend time with your family and your loved ones. Know for Christmas you probably didn't get no time to spend with yourself, but you got the weekend coming. All right, any urgent sales, urgent buys, urgent news on the market? No, we only had one day off, so ain't really a whole lot was going on. Wasn't no trading. Portfolio value is at $55,122.83, down $123 today. Buying power $5,118.72. Y'all subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch recent videos, share my channel also. Give me y'all this game real and for free 99. Alright. Y'all know what time it is. Going to get our trades in. Give ourselves a raise so we ain't gotta go on strike. Alright, TLTW. Going at $23.43. I picked up a share like $23.662. Came down and touched that. Had a buy limit order in. We're going to get a little piece of this with y'all today on top of that order. I like this at $25 and under. Especially loving it at the 24 and under mark. Pays a nice juicy monthly dividend. Think dividend yield around between 16 and 20%. That's TLTW. We're going to go ULTY. Pick up a share at $9.18. Doing fractional shares. And this portfolio sort of cashing up. Get $3 worth a day. You don't want to load up on this because it's volatile. You do your dollar cost average, can be $1 share a day, 5 shares a day, three shares a day, but don't go buying no 100 shares. Unless you got money, you can do 100 shares a day. Don't. That's my personal opinion on it. All right, we're going to go OXSQ. OXSQ. Oxford Square Capital. Pay 3.5 cents a share a month dividend. Definitely going to take advantage of this dip. 248 today. Get 3 shares. There we go. Get that out of the way. 2.48. Nope, got to go back. Not market hours. Put in extended. So we can buy it in the pre and the post market. If it touches it. Another one gonna get a share of PFLT. It's gonna go back past the $11 range. I'm gonna swing trade some at $11.50. I was going in at 1078. At 1079 is at 1078. Want to get $5 worth of that. Another one I like, EFC, Ellerton Financial. 1216. I like this at 1225 and under. That's my average cost anyway. 12. I brought some at 1204. Let's see, because I think I'm going to buy a bunch at 1204. I'm going to put a buy order in there too. I just want to check something out real quick. And that's when I want to load up. We got 1178. 52 week low is 1088. $3 worth a day. Piece it together. That pay 13 cents a share a month. We're going to go USOI. Cover calls on oil. Crude oil down $64 today. That's $63.43. Get a little piece of it. Cause I buy shares and I can catch it under the $63 mark. Another one you can buy under the $19 range is ARR. A little Piece of that. These got to go to MPW, Medical Properties Trust. These some swing trades I'm doing. $3.66. Got to take advantage of this under this $4 range. Make sure this don't trade 24-hour market. Yeah, just extend it. This one you can buy and hold. Okay, RPT. One you might want to stay out of. Rhythm Property. This gave it got a dividend yield 9.27%. Market cap 132 million, which is not a lot. That's why I say you can stay out of it. I'm in it. That's why I'm trading it. And I'm gonna swing it and get myself up out of it. Once I get up out of it, I'm probably just gonna stay out of it. 2 shares, 2.91. I get 2 shares every trade, and there it is. The dollar cost averaging down. I'm gonna collect that 9% dividend while I'm doing it. They've been brought out. The company that was called Ajax before, AJAX, but got brought out by Rhythm. Rhythm have other companies that they own. The company might end up doing well though, but I'm gonna just trying to narrow down on REITs. All right, OPI 98 cents. This is an office REIT, which is not in huge favor right now. So I think this got a reverse split, stock split coming. So it won't get delisted. Another one I'm taking advantage of, AQN. Yeah, all right. Now on OPI, that office REIT, I prefer y'all to stay out of that one unless you want to trade. Outside of that, that's no buy and hold stock. AQN, Algonquin Power Company. People got to pay their utility bills. Well, 442 today. This one got a market cap of 3.56 billion, which is good. They got this as a hold. That's why I'm buying this. 52-week high 679. This have been over the $6 mark this year. Dividend yield 8.62%. So I'm gonna collect that dividend till I can swing it and rinse and repeat. That's my strategy on this. I'm going in at 442. All right, we're going Starbucks, SBLK. It's coming on down. $3 worth of that. Add some of that onto it. Another one, we're going SBSW. $3.48. Get 2 shares of this. It's another trade I'm gonna do. This is a precious metal company, which is volatile. But this is a nice stock. The swing trade is not one I'm buying and holding. Got this rated as a hold in the sale. But you see I got a trade value of $2 million. Guys, my average cost down to $4.98. Dividend yield 1.64%. They cut it. Market cap of $2.5 billion. All right, TL. I'm gonna give y'all 2 monthly paying CEF. These are closed-end funds. You buy these, hold these for the dividends. But y'all been watching my recent videos, y'all already know this. Ticker OPP. That's a River North fund. Go in at $8.32. I like it at $8.50 and better. Been dipping below the $8.30 range. So you got to take advantage of that dip. Pays 10 or 11 cents a share a month. Another one's ACP, Aberdeen. ACP, $5.98. But I take advantage of this at $6 and under. I think it's going to go back to the 6.30 plus mark. They paid a 10 cent a month dividend, but cut it like in the last 2 weeks to 0.775 cent a share. But get those two, and I'm gonna give you some dividend growth stocks. Go with Uber. If y'all like that, you can get some of that. UBER, I think that's a buy and hold company, not going anywhere. AES, which is a utility company, that's a dividend growth stock. $12.79. Got down to Uber. Uber was down to $61.16. And those two on my list for the day. Usually be Dollar General and CVS also, but they having a green day today, so I'm gonna leave them alone. That's everything I got on my list. Let's go check out traps. See anything I might have overlooked or left. PSEC. They cut their dividend for 6 cents a share a month to 4.5. Gotta get this one I overlooked, 420. Gonna get one at 427. It's gonna easily be swing traded, especially the day, probably the day before the ex-dividend day. Gonna go to its height, and they gonna let it rip. Got 1.5 or 1.6 billion trades a day. That's got a lot of volume for you to swing it, but most people buy it just for the dividend. I know I'm a swing trade some of mine. AGNC, know this below the $10 mark. This gonna go back above it too. You want to get some of that. That pay a dividend of 12 cents a share a month. Bring down my average cost there. All right, let's roll. This is Rhythm. RITM. This is the one, the RPT I gave y'all earlier. This is the BDC. So you got a 5.71 billion market cap with a 9.07% yield. This is the one that brought this stock here. As you can see the connection in the name. Just to show you real quick, RPT. There you go. That's why I buy that other one. All right, back to the page. Kraft Heinz was down. See what this got going on today. I'm gonna just buy a share of this like every week. I want to do just get a fractional share of it. And it's a buy and hold dividend stock. It's another REIT probably getting beat down. Yep. HPP, that's one I've been buying every day. Also lowering my average cost. One that's gonna pay off when the interest rates get cut. Like I say, for 2025, y'all might get ready just to stand still and be at accumulation stage. They're only doing 2 dividend cuts for the year. So me, I'm not expecting a whole lot out of it. Some people say they can do more. They're gonna need to do more. We're gonna see how that is gonna play out. Got Ready Capital. Need to share this at 726. Dividend yield 15%. I do need to buy this dip. This is another one that's gonna benefit. $1.24 billion market cap. Not a whole lot, not in the 30s, but stronger than most REITs. Most of them being about 500 million. I don't like touching stuff that's really under $1 billion in market cap. Got PFLT. Brandywine, ain't gonna bother that. RPT, we did that. Telus looking good today. Arbor Realty, not gonna bother that. Got our S-Bulk. AFCG was getting beat up. It's a marijuana stock. They rent out warehouses to marijuana growers. See, like 1.95 billion market cap, but got a 20% yield. Like, that's just unsustainable. But when you're dealing with REITs and BDCs, especially in the double digits, it's something you be having to deal with them. Got USOI. I'm at the yield max part of my portfolios that we about to be over with. Got YMAG. SCHD, let's see if this back over the $28 mark. $27.42. I got this on recurring investment at $1 a day. There's a buy and hold ETF. Got Pepsi and a whole bunch of others in there. Need to do a video on that to break it down for people. Let's check PEPY and we can get on off here. All right, I'm looking good. And that's doing options on PayPal. All right, man, that's it for today. Quick 17 minutes. Hope y'all got something out of it. Dividend investing, man. Buying our time back. Got to get up off of these jobs, man. Invest in yourself. Signing off. Go get your money.